2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.